Wow, guys, looky. Look what just showed up at the dealership, guys. Yes, we're getting ready to do some work on this thing. What? I don't know. Look at this. This is freaking nice. What kind of car this is? I don't know. Well, I'm going to find out and let you guys know. He got the rear up. Now, what's going on back here? This is your typical trunk? No, guys. It's a convertible top. Look at this thing. All right, anybody want to take a shot? Take a shot at it. What year, make, and model is this? Oh, I don't see no radio. I see a steering wheel. Typical. Look at that mile per hour. Look at that cluster, guys. All right, who's giving it a shot? I'll give you a hint. But what year? Anybody want to take a stab at what year this is? Look at this thing. Look at all the mechanical devices that was required to let the top up. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's a shorts video. You lying. 7.4 liter. God, it's a trick to open it in the hood? Oh, look at that beauty. Ooh, I see 4 on this side, so I assume 4 on the other side. It's a V8. Yeah. It's like car show material type stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it has to be. Nobody ride around lollygagging going to the quick trip in this thing, do they? I bet it drank some gas, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can actually see the gauge going down. See, we're getting rid of these gas guzzler guys. We're going electric, but if you got one this old, he said 1966. For those who guessed it right, it's 1966. What you doing, man? Oh, look at the doors. Oh, come on, man. Look at the funny way you open the doors. Yes, 1966. Nobody was born around that time. Stay tuned. All right, guys, y'all sure saw those short videos. We're going to have a little fun. Now, I did get some more information on this. 1966. All right, the technology for the convertible top was similar to now. I mean, you're going to need one of these. I can't even call it out. I'm having a brain freeze right now. Typical convertible top. You're going to have actuators to push up on it. Now, I don't know if it's, yes, it has to be electric, remote control, or push button. Okay, because manually, if it was manual, you won't necessarily need all this. So I'm assuming just like our Sebrings, you push a button, this top will come up, and then the trunk, the deck lid will come up, and then the actual top will fold down on its own. But look at that. So he opened the doors, guys. Look at how the doors open up. 1966. I still didn't get the name of the car. I'm guessing 8-track. What y'all guessing? Who been around? Some of you guys, y'all some young bucks. Fluffy Mexicanic, you don't know nothing about this, man. This is way before your time. Little young buck. Alright? This might have an 8-track in it. How many of y'all been around, what's around in the 8-track days? Tom Cook, I know you have. And Uncle Mark, I know y'all 8-track guys. But, look at this radio. It's the kind that you push to change the channel. Alright, guys. Yes, I was informed that they do car shows in these. I also was confirmed that they drink a lot of gas. So when you press on the gas pedal, if you floor it, if you punch it out the red light, the needle might just do this. Yes, but all in all, makes you appreciate where you came from, right? Yeah, a lot of this stuff is obsolete. When the last time anybody took their finger and yeah. There's a filter under there. Okay, I'm not that young or I'm not that old, you know. Yeah, points. I was around in the points days on the tail end of it. HEI ignition and things like that. But you need a timing light for one of these to actually put this thing in time. Everything now is digital, monitored and adjusted by the computer. This probably don't have no computer. Speaking of electronics and computers, where's the alternator? I bet this sucker have an external voltage regulator. Is that it? I don't know, guys. So if I misrepresent something, please don't charge it to the game or charge it to my heart. Charge it to the game. Okay, let's go see this device. This very well could be the old style. Yeah, I don't know. Voltage regulator. Now, they don't use this because the voltage regulations is going on by the computer, guys. Okay. typical battery. I mean, not your old style battery that uses different plastic. Maybe that's the voltage regulation. Again, I don't know. If I had to guess, AC compressor. If I had to guess, R12. Yeah. High pressure line, low pressure line, dryer. I don't know, guys. Now, if I had to guess, ignition coil. Yeah, we no longer use. In fact, we use a coil for every cylinder now. But this thing is immaculate. Hey, when did you have to have a special license to even drive this? So back in the day, they made cars that was capable of reaching 120 mile per hour. I don't know. Look at the radio. All right. Neat. Ooh, it's supposed to rain today, so I hope this top actually worked. Guys, we had enough fun for the day. I just wanted to show y'all what rolled in a shop. Yeah, it's not getting any warranty work done, that's for sure. Yes, look at that beauty. Continental. Hey, I hope I didn't show this before I asked y'all to guess what it is, but typical full light bulb. Yes, guys, back in the day we did use wiper blades, okay? Some things haven't changed, okay? I don't think the wiper blades would ever go away. Even if the EV cars show up, you're still gonna have to have a way to clear your windshield of water. Ignition wires. When the last time y'all seen ignition wires? Oh, wow, let's go on this side. I see something interesting. Is that the AC to switch between, I don't know. If I had to guess, this is an evaporator coil. Remember back in the day, guys, evaporator was on the outside, not on the inside. Okay, and they likely was easier to change. I wonder what the mechanics was, what kind of pressure they was under. You know what I'm saying? We on a different set of pressure and rules around here. You can't even stick a screw in your battery terminal. Imagine that. You can't do that anymore. You can't just take a freaking screw and screw down in there and expect everything to be alright. Yeah, that video I uploaded, I am getting beat up on that video. People telling me, there's nothing wrong with the screw. Yeah, you can put screws on these. There's no IBS on this car. There's no battery sensor on this car. Don't do this on a new car. Alright, I'm getting off topic. We're supposed to be focused in on this older model car. Let me stand back and let y'all get one last view because I'm running out of time. Yeah, look at that. What a beauty. That would likely cramp my style if I drove that. So, yes, we're gonna pass on going on a test drive. Typical master cylinder. Some things don't ever change. Yes, master cylinder has been around for years. If I had to guess, what would these relays control? I have no idea, guys. If I had to guess, anybody remember the mechanical fuel pump? If I had to guess, that's what that is. They have a lever on it, and the lever will do this and supply that pressure to throttle body. Yeah, if I had to guess, that's a throttle body. Okay, if I had to guess, this is a fuel filter. If I had to guess, I would think you have to pat this gas pedal down twice before you start it up. Remember that, guys? Opening the choke so to fill up with fuel in anticipation of you starting it in a cold start. Yeah, all right, I'm done guessing, guys. That's all I have, man.